and the quiet moments of dawn's embrace. I lift my heart in a sacred space. For every breath a whispered prayer, thanking God for blessings everywhere. The sun spills gold on the waking sea, each wave a gift, a tapestry for love that surrounds an endless flow in simple joys His grace does show. The laughter of children, the warmth of a hand, tree that will stand for friendships that light up the darkest night. In every shared smile I find His light there. In every shared smile I find His light. Trials that teach me, the tears that I shed, turn into lessons, a path well led. For strength found in sorrow and hope born in pain, in each storm and struggle His love will remain. For food on my table, a roof overhead, for moments of peace in the words that are said, for nature's embrace, the stars up above. In every small wonder I see His love. So though here in my heart I carry this song, a melodies of gratitude, ever so strong. With every beat I remember to say, thank you, dear God, for guiding my way. And valleys, on roads yet unknown, in the tapestry woven, I'm never alone. For each blessing I count, both big and small, I find in these moments I've been given it